Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. And if you hate when your drink gets lukewarm, then I have the thing for you. This is the Hopsulator Slim Can Koozie from BruMate. This thing is an absolute must have for anyone who enjoys drinks that come in those 12-ounce slim cans. This thing is so perfect. It is comfortable to hold. It keeps your drinks cold for hours. So you're not wasting all of your money throwing out half drank, lukewarm anything. So I love this thing whether I'm headed to the pool, whether I'm headed to the beach. I use it to drink an energy drink and keep it nice and cold while I work. I even like to just sit on the stoop and wave at my neighbors with it. This thing is my favorite. It's my constant companion during those hot summer months. So I super recommend getting one of these Hopsulator Slim Can koozies from BruMate. I think they are 100% worth the money, and that is my point of view.